Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert HEIC to JPG in Google Photos. So to do this we need to use desktop version of this application. We cannot do this using the iPhone or Android. So open your browser. Then we need to open Google Photos, sign in into your account, and also click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your correct account. You can switch to another account or you can add your account. After that, select the photo with HEIC format. So right here we have it, and let's save it. Okay, we have a zip file, and right here we have this photo. And I wanna send it to the desktop. Now we can close it. And where's this photo? So right here. And click at the right-click mouse. We need to click at the view. If you save it, let's say to download, you can find view at the top, then to show, and we need to select file name extensions. And right here we have the same. No, we haven't. Okay, so we cannot do this. Anyway, so view, show, file name extension. And now we see the format. Right here also we see HEIC. And we need to rename, so you can click or F2 or right mouse click and rename. Then remove HEIC and write JPG. And do not remove this dot, please. Now click enter. Yes. And we have JPG, but let's move to the properties. And in the properties we also have this format. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.